where curiosity sparks a brighter future, a gathering of minds, a symphony of skills, where electrical contractors, journey persons, and apprentices develop their skills and share their passion for the trade. Welcome to the IBW NICA Technical Institute Vendor Showcase and Open House.
I'm a second-year apprentice at EJET, and I came here because I love working the trades. So I wanted to see all the vendors here. I also brought my brother. He came along with me. I wanted to get him involved in this.
It's interesting. I'm learning a little bit of new stuff.
From the practical to the potential, the unmatched skills of every IBW electrician and the professionalism of every NICA contractor is a testament to the dedication behind the scenes. It's more than just circuits and systems. It's the heartbeat of progress and the foundation for opportunity.
Here to learn more about being an electrician before I get accepted into the apprenticeship program.
If you just see a switch on the wall, there's a lot to go into that, like pulling, piping, all that stuff, pulling up to a fan. So that's the stuff that we do.
Here because I'm a first-year apprentice. I wanted to see all the tools and learn about more of the apprenticeship.
Experience hands-on learning and see why our apprenticeship school is ranked the best in the nation. Discover the tools, the technology, and the brother and sisterhood that define our community.
I love the school. I love being an electrician, everything about it. So this just really enticed me. You should come here, look at all the cool vendors that are here, get some free stuff, which is very fun. So.
Whether you're a high school student eager to shape the world, an experienced electrician, or someone looking to make an exciting career change, looking to expand your horizons, this is where your journey begins.
Getting to work with my hands, getting to do hands-on work, and the pay is also good.
Yeah, I want to be an electrician. I want to be a journeyman.
Join us at Intech, where opportunity and expertise connect. Bring family, bring friends, and ignite a spark.
I love it, and I recommend everyone to show up.